Tobias? Are you cheating from Alexis?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, time's up. Hand in your papers. Cheating is unaccepted at this school. Meet me in the hall after you pack.
How'd you find the exam?
I can't hear you. I'm listening to music.
What are you listening to?
Spazz Von Lightning.
Spazz who?
The signature guitar moves? The vibrant, colorful voice, those sexy leather pants? Come on! Spazz Von Lightning, greatest rock star of all time. Well, ex-greatest. Ever since he disappeared, never to be seen again. I only roll with rock stars. You should give me a call when you become one.
Jared. This is Tobias, and he will be assisting you with all your cleaning duties today.
What the hell, man?
Boy, you gotta move your legs. This is how mopping works. You get out of the shitty places. Whoa, whoa! Jeez. Kid. What are you still doing here? You should be out chasing girls. When I was your age, I couldn't keep them off my mop.
Yeah, well, it looks like a long mop. I mean, what are you still doing here as a janitor anyway?
Things aren't always what they seem. Besides, my mop isn't as long as it used to be. Too much cold water in the bucket.
Well, what do you want me to do? Warm it up for you?
Hey, no smart remarks. No, you work for me. Right? Yeah. All right, can you do this for me? I need you to go get some bleach from my closet. Can you do that? Yeah? All right, go. Move it! Move it! Ridiculous.
No way. It's totally impossible.
What did you do?
You're Spazz Von Lightning!